Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi children, how are you? Did you recite dua when you wake up this morning? Do you still remember the dua? Okay, let me remind you again. Alhamdulillahillazi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. So when you wake up, you say this dua. Alhamdulillah. In the morning when you wake up, you say Alhamdulillahilladzi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. I promised you last week that we are going to learn new dua today, right? Don't you feel excited to learn new dua today? Okay, let's start with the recitation of Al-Fatiha first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay. Our dua for today is dua when it is raining. Okay, last night it was raining. Alhamdulillah. So this morning the air feels so fresh. Alhamdulillah. Okay, what is the dua when it is raining? When rain falls, you read Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. I repeat, when rain falls, you read Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. One more time. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. So what is the meaning of this dua? Allahumma, oh Allah, sayyiban nafi'a, make this rain beneficial. Is rain important? Yes, rain is important because rain makes a river to have water, sea to have water, and rain also make the farmers happy. Why? Because all living things need water. Okay, plants need water. Fish in the sea needs water. Fish in the river needs water. Don't we need plant? Don't we need fish? We need fish, we need plant because those are our food. Okay, I would like to repeat again. Rain is very important. It is actually a blessing from Allah. Ianya adalah rahmat dari Allah. So it is actually wrong for us to sing, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. It's wrong, children. Don't sing that kind of song. It is wrong. Sing, rain, rain is a blessing from Allah Ar-Rahim. I repeat, rain, rain is a blessing from Allah Ar-Rahim. Okay, again, can we practice the dua together? Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Oh Allah, make this rain beneficial. Can make this beneficial rain. So what I want you to do after I end my video, okay, I will put this picture and I want you to copy this dua. Can you do that? I believe you can do it. Okay, you are a good student. I believe you can do it. I want you to copy this dua by using pencil in a piece of paper. Is that clear? Okay. It's 7:30. I have to go now. Yeah, I record this video at 7:30 a.m. I have to go to the clinic. I have a doctor appointment. So that's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.